Hey, what is up, guys? It's Heated, and this can be called Sickest Bitches number 3, baby. So tell me if my new camera, Canon, works. If it does, tell me. And if not, I'll go back to using both cameras. One a vlog camera, one just an everyday camera. So let's go. You obviously know where the strike zone is, and Sickest Bitches number 2. So that was freaking nasty. Now, we all know the neutral, so let's do it. Oh crap, that was way too high. Let's just go fastballs. Oh, wow. It's like a Raldis Chapman over here. Alright guys, ready? Curveball, sorry. That was nasty right there. Okay. Ready? Now that, I don't even... I was trying for like a fastball, but it came in like really slight, so if you want to do that, just release late. That one, I can't. You go for a slider? Let's do the slider. Let's do 2 fastballs more, and then 2 more curveballs. So first it's going to be the fastball. That was the first one I heard it with. Second one. Oh. And the velocity for the changeup, if you guys didn't know, wants to be low. So I always want the velocity low for the changeup. That was my first year. Hold on, let's go do two more fastballs. We got time. Ready? Good. You know what? Come on. One or two more. Come on. Ready? Alright. Well, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.